Imagine living your whole life underground in the dark with your 100 closest and only friends. No sunlight, no fresh air, just the constant company of your wrinkly, hairless companions. This is the daily reality for the naked mole rat, a creature so bizarre and fascinating that it almost seems like it belongs in a science fiction novel. No need for sunscreen down here. These little critters have adapted to a life devoid of sunlight, making them one of the most unique mammals on the planet. Their skin lacks the pigment melanin, which is why they appear so pale and almost translucent. That's the reality for naked mole rats, the weirdest neighbors you never knew you had. They live in colonies that can number in the hundreds, all working together in a highly organized social structure similar to that of ants or bees. Hairless, wrinkled, and buck-toothed, they might not win any beauty contests, but these creatures are evolutionary marvels. Their teeth are so strong that they can dig through tough soil and even concrete, and they use them like a pair of built-in shovels. They've traded good looks for superpowers, thriving in harsh conditions that would make other mammals call for takeout and a warm blanket. Naked mole rats can survive with very little oxygen, and they are resistant to cancer, making them a subject of intense scientific study. These fascinating creatures have captivated scientists for decades, offering insights into everything from longevity to social behavior. Their ability to live up to 30 years, which is exceptionally long for a rodent, has made them a key species in aging research. Buckle up, because we're about to dig into the strange and wonderful world of the naked mole rat, where evolution took a sharp turn and created a masterpiece of adaptation. From their unique social hierarchy to their incredible resilience, these creatures are a testament to the wonders of natural selection. Living underground is no walk in the park, or should we say dig in the dirt. But for naked mole rats, it's home sweet home. These expert excavators construct elaborate underground tunnel systems that can stretch for miles. We're talking bedrooms, bathrooms, designated pooping areas to be precise, and even nurseries, all connected by a network of tunnels. Think of it as the ultimate ant farm, but instead of ants, it's a bunch of buck-toothed, sausage-shaped rodents. And these tunnels aren't just randomly dug out, they're strategically designed to maximize airflow and regulate temperature. Talk about subterranean sophistication. It's like the mole rat equivalent of a luxury condo complex, complete with climate control and waste disposal systems. Ever tried holding your breath for an awkwardly long time? Yeah, not fun. Your lungs start to burn, your face turns red, and you feel like you're going to explode. It's a universal experience that reminds us just how much we rely on oxygen. But what if I told you there are creatures out there that laugh in the face of our oxygen dependency? Now imagine living in a place where oxygen is about as common as a polite driver in rush hour. Picture the most congested city traffic you've ever seen, where every breath feels like a struggle. That's the daily grind for some of our subterranean friends, who have adapted to thrive in these extreme conditions. Meet the naked mole rats. These fascinating creatures live in underground burrows where oxygen levels are incredibly low. While most mammals would struggle to survive, naked mole rats have turned this harsh environment into their playground. But here's the kicker: naked mole rats are practically oxygen consumption ninjas. They have evolved unique adaptations that allow them to use oxygen more efficiently than any other mammal. Their bodies are like finely tuned machines, optimized for survival in low oxygen environments. Scientists have been studying these incredible animals to understand how they manage to thrive where others would perish. In lab settings, naked mole rats have shown an astonishing ability to survive with minimal oxygen, providing valuable insights into their unique biology. How do they do it? Well, they've got a few tricks up their wrinkled sleeves. For starters, their blood is specially adapted to carry oxygen more efficiently. This means they can extract more oxygen from the air they breathe, even when it's in short supply. Their blood is specially adapted to carry oxygen more efficiently, allowing them to make the most of every precious molecule. This adaptation is crucial for their survival in an environment where oxygen is a rare commodity. And that's not all. Their cells can switch to a different metabolic pathway when oxygen gets scarce. This alternative pathway allows them to produce energy without relying on oxygen, a remarkable feat that sets them apart from other mammals. It's like having a backup generator for your cells. When the primary oxygen-dependent system starts to fail, the backup kicks in, ensuring that the naked mole rats can keep going even in the toughest conditions. These adaptations make them true survivors, capable of thriving where others would falter. In the fascinating world of naked mole rats, the concept of aging is practically obsolete. These unique creatures have evolved in such a way that they seem to defy the natural aging process. These remarkable animals laugh in the face of Father Time, boasting a lifespan that puts other rodents to shame. While most rodents live short, fleeting lives, the naked mole rat stands out as an extraordinary exception. Your average lab rat might live for 2 or 3 years, but a naked mole rat can live for decades, sometimes even reaching up to 30 years. This is an astonishing feat in the rodent world. To put this into perspective, that's like a human living to be 400 years old. So, what's their secret? How do they manage to live such long and healthy lives? Scientists are still trying to figure it out, but it seems like these little creatures have found the cheat codes for aging. Their biology is a treasure trove of secrets waiting to be uncovered. One of the most fascinating aspects of naked mole rats is their remarkable resistance to age-related diseases. Unlike other animals, they rarely suffer from conditions like cancer or heart disease. Their cells seem to have a unique ability to repair damage and maintain function over time. It's almost as if they've discovered the fountain of youth. But instead of sparkling water, their secret might be something far less glamorous, like fermented dirt. Regardless, the naked mole rat continues to baffle and inspire scientists around the world, offering hope that one day, we too might unlock the secrets to a longer, healthier life. Section 5. Chompers for life, ever growing, ever digging. Imagine if your teeth kept growing throughout your life. Sounds like a dentist's nightmare, right? Well, for naked mole rats, it's just another Tuesday. Their incisors, those prominent front teeth, never stop growing, which comes in handy when you spend your life excavating dirt. It's like having a built-in shovel and pickaxe combo, perfect for carving out those underground mansions. And because their lips seal behind their teeth, they don't even swallow dirt while digging. Talk about efficient. It's like they've mastered the art of underground excavation and dental hygiene all in one. Section 6. Hive mind. All for one and one for the queen. Forget ant colonies, naked mole rats take social organization to a whole new level. They live in colonies ruled by a single queen, the Beyoncé of the burrow. She's the only female who gets to reproduce, keeping her subjects in line with a mixture of pheromones and good old-fashioned shoving. The rest of the colony is divided into specialized roles, like workers, soldiers, and even babysitters. It's a well-oiled machine, with everyone knowing their place. Think of it as a highly efficient corporation, except instead of quarterly reports, they have communal pooping rituals. Hey, whatever works, right? Section 7. Cancer? Not today. The tumor-resistant rodents. Cancer, the dreaded disease that affects countless creatures, including humans. But not naked mole rats. These little guys are practically immune to cancer, laughing in the face of tumors like they're nothing more than a mild annoyance. Scientists are baffled and intrigued, studying these creatures for clues to unlock the secrets of cancer resistance. It seems like their cells have a remarkable ability to stop tumor growth in its tracks, preventing cancer from taking hold. Imagine if we could replicate that in humans. It's like they've evolved a superpower that makes them the envy of every oncologist on the planet. Section 8. Super Survivors, Secrets of the Mole Rat Mystique. So what makes naked mole rats such incredible survivors? It's a combination of factors, from their unique physiology to their social structure. They've adapted to thrive in an environment that would make other mammals wither. They're living proof that evolution doesn't always favor the fastest or the strongest, but the most adaptable. They've traded good looks for longevity, fur for social cohesion, and oxygen dependence for metabolic flexibility. They're a testament to the power of natural selection, showing us that life finds a way, even in the most unexpected of places.